Good day everyone, SMARTISAN released its new model NUT PRO 2 and today I will review. I received one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM in black color. They do have different variants as well, so before buying, make sure which one you would like to get. This smartphone, it's very different than others and I will show you in this video, but before that, let me show you how this phone is designed. The first thing's design as well about its glass. NUT PRO 2 has a metal frame and glass design on both sides. In-cell capacitive touchscreen. Corning Gorilla Glass 3, 80% NTCC, sunlight display 500 candles brightness. The brightener screen in bright light conditions. The 18:9 display is the highlight of the front. The NUT PRO 2 with dual rear cameras share a single housing, but one sensor is larger than the other and also appears to be slightly raised, and the smaller sensor LED flash is flush with the body. The buttons are also different from the norm, round buttons instead of the bars, SMARTISAN logo on the middle and the thin red line that goes around the frame. It's amazing design. This smartphone can be suitable for businessmen or ladies, teachers, students, office workers as well. For example, with one step, we can send a prepared document, for example, to message or to your email, attached to the email, or social media, WeChat, anything what you can do. For example, images. It's the same, you can post or go to Instagram, files. Isn't it so amazing? Another features, it's called Big Bang. I know it's weird name, but look at what we can do with that. By simply touching the screen with your thumbs, you can split a sentence into a word. You can also split a word into alphabet, and then you can select, edit, search, copy. I think this is the best feature which will make you learn new languages. You can also copy, you can send on message, Gmail, save on idea pills. This is the best, what I like it. It's really good to use. The third one, it's called idea pills. Just click the button and speak to the phone and save your idea. Well, for the moment, I don't have any sparking ideas, but for example, this is an idea. This is you can send as message, this is you can favor, and this is you can make like important message. Here you can also listen your voice. And save any your ideas. Or you can also save on calendar, on social media. You can, later you can see all these messages, all these ideas. Fast Face ID unlock, let me prove you that. Wow, let me again. Isn't it so fast? 5.99-inch in-cell 18:9 display with 2160 by 1080 resolution. Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 Max 2.2 GHz mobile platform. GPU Adreno 512. For the best Android gaming experience, SMARTISAN NUT PRO 2 got all top and specs you need to any game in the Google Play Store at the highest setting. I've been playing games for the 3 hours with a full charge and I used 30% of battery. So beneath the metal and glass body of the NUT PRO 2 is a 3500 mAh battery with support for quick charge 3.0. Now you're seeing the pictures are taken on this device. The primary sensor is a 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 f1.8 aperture, 6-element lens, and it's paired with a 5 megapixel f2.0 wide aperture. The front camera is a 16 megapixel f2.2 sensor with all beauty modes. SMARTISAN NUT PRO 2 will bring you excellent new experiences. Personally, I like this smartphone. What do you think? Did you like it? Do you have any questions? Please leave the comments, and if you did not subscribe, subscribe please. Thank you for watching. Bye.